Welcome Chantal and Greg to your main floor walkthrough. We will be looking at the design concept for the entry, living, kitchen, and dining room. To start off on a funny note, please don't mind the stairs. I did not figure out how to get them right yet. As we set foot in the front entrance, I like the commodity of having several coat hooks to your right. It also dresses up the wall. The walls are colored with Chantilly lace and Saybrook sage from the Benjamin Moore collection. Both colors will be the theme for the main floor. For the staircase, I added in some texture by applying a teal feather motif wallpaper. Our first focal point is to dress up the closet corner with a small side table and mirror. I added framing to the living room and kitchen openings, as we want the flow of moldings to be consistent throughout the main floor. For the entry, there is no crown moldings because of the cathedral effect in the staircase. The side entrance has also been dressed in wainscoting to tie into the kitchen and dining. As we turn back around, let me invite you into the living room. A combination of a semi-mount ceiling light and 4-inch recessed downlights have been added. These should be controlled with dimmers to create the right ambience. All 4 walls are embellished with our Saybrook sage for cocooning effect. In this space, crown molding has been added to enhance the architectural detail. The furniture placement allows access to the windows and a nice setting for Chantal and Zoe to enjoy the natural light coming into the space. From your Pinterest idea book, I love the circular rug. It will let you roll the wheelchair around with ease. Those beautiful French doors I absolutely wanted to keep, but on hinges, they were getting in the way. Here's my idea. We add exterior framing to the existing doors, patch them up and repaint them, add new black hardware and a railing system to get that sliding barn door look. By removing the fireplace, I found it was the best location for the television to reduce sun glare on the screen. It would be mounted on an adjustable bracket, and Videotron also offers LX services for a discrete receptor that is attached to the back of the television. Underneath is a comfortable large floor pillow for your fur baby. At this point, you can also observe that the flooring is the same all the way through. I would like to suggest Bolier's Luxury Vinyl. This product is waterproof and therefore one of the easiest products to maintain and clean. With its antimicrobial surface, you can rest assured that your flooring is safe for your family. Let us go to the kitchen. Our main goal is to obtain a new configuration with all the existing cabinetries at our disposal. As discussed, I did manage to fit in a small island on wheels so that you can place it as needed, but this would be built with new materials. Since the space is narrow, I opted for a distressed mid-tone gray as the new cabinetry finish, but stay tuned at the end, I do want to show it to you in an off-white. I kept the hardware accents in black and included smudge-free black stainless steel appliances. The dishwasher and slide-in range have been relocated. This extends the counter space more towards the patio door. Electrical outlets and switches will need adjustments. With the different cabinet height levels, we can add in that detailed wooden hood fan cover that goes up to the ceiling. New cabinet crown moldings are needed and would match the same model chosen for the walls. Recuperating the old ones would lead to not having enough to complete the job. For the wall adjoining to Zoe's bathroom, the existing entry door was 28 inches. Since we need to bump that dimension up to 36, let us shift that door all the way to the left so that we can achieve a continuous cabinetry and counter space. It will also be a win-win for the bathroom configuration. The refrigerator is also moved and surrounded by our existing pantries, with our third raised cabinet style above the refrigerator. Conserving the existing heights and adding a few elevated ones will help us avoid rebuilding every cabinet and modifying too many doors. Keep in mind this layout does need to be confirmed on site, and a numeral chart with specifications created to ease the labor details for this transformation. Last but not least, the dining room. Respecting space circulation and providing another area for Zoe to get some sunshine, I also added the commodity of a small cabinet for her medication that will not be directly affected by sunlight. The dining room is furnished with a 6-piece dining set. The maximum size for the table would be 72 inches by 39.5. I recommend this dimension include a removable extension for extra freedom of movement when needed. As the wainscoting surrounds the space, you must have noticed that extra window. That is really a mirror. We could have a new window installed, but this optical illusion will cost less. It creates a symmetrical appeal and reflects the natural light coming in from the patio. The next video will show you the kitchen in a lighter tone. I hope you both enjoyed this first presentation for the renovation of your new home. Thank you.